Hello, hello, hello. Just got done watching the movie Arcadian. This came out in 2024. It is rated R. It is a 1 hour and 31 minute long action suspense movie. A father and his twin teenage sons fight to survive in a remote farmhouse at the end of the world. At the end of the world. I thought this was actually really done well. I thought it was extremely action-packed, extremely suspenseful. There were even a couple little jump scares that happened for me. Nicolas Cage is in this movie. I recognize the others, but I don't know what their names are, but...
And Nicolas Cage wasn't a main star of the movie, so that was nice too.
He had a pretty prevalent role, but
30%.
It definitely wasn't a movie about him. It's been him being the star per se or whatever. I thought they did a really good job. The casting was great. The story was very interesting. The what they're trying to survive was also done in a very interesting way. I liked it. I liked it a lot.
Creepy looking monsters
creepy
and stuff. Like, different, you've never seen.
That's what I was saying. It definitely,
they did a good job. I liked it.
It was done really well.
Solid 4.
I would give this easily a 4. A 4 out of 5. No problem with that at all. If you've seen Arcadian, let me know in the comment section what you thought of it. And if you haven't seen this movie, I will try and link it below. You can go check out the trailer and maybe it would be something you'd like. If you haven't seen it, are you a fan of Nicolas Cage's films typically? I know he's done so many things in so many genres, and some stuff you may love, some stuff you may not love. Overall, are you a fan of Nicolas Cage? I have enjoyed more of his movies than not.
Same.
I would say that.
It's on the more I like than
there are a few that are just not for me.
Yeah.
But overall, I would say most of the things he's performed in, I've really enjoyed.
Came out with a thumbs up with him.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next review.